my video. Today on this video it's gonna be different. I'm gonna speak with you about a big problem that is always happened and is not just now. Is testing products in animals. I know it's not recent this, but why they don't change this? I think we can change because now there are other ways, new technologies, and why don't do products natural products? Oh, I don't know, there's another things that they can do without testing products in animals. Because I know if they ask me or they ask you if you won't be like the animals, closed in the cage and suffering a lot, I'm sure that you're gonna say no. But just because the animals can say no, they're still doing, and I think it's not fair for them. And I think we can stop this. And Body Shop are calling on the United Nations to adopt an international convention that will end animal testing for cosmetic products and ingredients everywhere and forever. And they got a petition that you just need to sign the petition, and it's easy. It just take you 2 minutes to do this, and you can help the animals. Yeah, because the Body Shop was the first one that stops testing products in animals, and now they want more, and they want like the other companies follow her, and that's why. But it's not easy because they always did this, and change the minds sometimes it's not easy, we know, because sometimes happens with us. We always got that routine and we can't stop that. But now we got in your hands a chance that they can change this, and no one's gonna pay me for this. I just want to do this. I'm doing this myself, and I'd sign the petition now, and please sign the petition as well. I'm gonna leave the link below here on the description, and yeah, please sign the petition, and we need to stop this. And that's it. Is a bit different this video today, but yeah, it's for a big reason. I hope guys you enjoyed. Give me the thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget, share this video for your friends, for everyone. See you next week. Bye bye.